Hey you guys, I'm back with another video. Today, I'm making a baby back rib. Put it in a crock pot. Like I said, some storms. So, you gotta take the little membrane off, you guys. That's the first thing. I put a little apple cider vinegar on my meat. Take all the membranes and everything off. So, I'm gonna make some barbecue baby back ribs, okay? And I'm gonna have some potato salad. I'm gonna add a little of this beef broth in my in my slow cooker. Okay. So what I'm about to do now, you guys, I'm about to cut up my meat and put it in here, and I will be back shortly. Okay, you guys, I got everything cut up, and it's in the pot here. So I'm gonna add a little black pepper. Onion powder. This is a little, let me see, Creole seasoning, but it has no salt in here, you guys, because I'm planning on, you're dealing with pork. You don't want to be add too much. And I'm going to add a little of this. Oh. See, I cut my meat up like this in here. So when it cooks, it's going to fall off the bone. Seasoning, black pepper. Okay, you guys. So I'm going to put the lid on here. And I'm going to let it do what it do. And I'm going to come back at 2. And Sue going to check and see what it do. Alright, you guys. Now I'm finna clean and sanitize my kitchen. Once again, I use this, you guys. So, I thank you for watching. And I will be back later. Bye-bye for now.